So next we'll look at the steering wheel on your Tivoli Ultimate. Buttons on the right hand side. So starting on the inside, we've got our cruise control, which has an on and off. So when you press that across the top of the screen here, which might be difficult for you to see, it says auto cruise ready. So you've pressed the button, you're at the speed you need to go at, you literally just click that button down to the set marker. You will now be in cruise control. You can accelerate by nudging that button up. Every time you nudge it up, it's 1 mile per hour, and again down 1 mile per hour. If you need to cancel out of the cruise control, you either press the foot brake or you press that button again, and that's it, you're out of cruise control. Your other buttons around there are all to do with your screen in here. So by pressing this little book there, you'll change the different modes, and you'll see the little blue highlighter moving across the top of the screen. So lane keep assist is off. If you were to press the button down to the right hand side, it would come back on again. Tells you which radio station you're listening to, and then you have your settings, so driving assistant settings. So to move up and down there, you literally press the move button. So now we've gone to dashboard settings, display settings, vehicle settings, reset all settings, things like that. And then when you want to enter, so we want to enter the driving assist settings, we press the OK button. We've now gone into the sub menu for that particular feature. So now we've got autonomous emergency braking, so that's obviously if you want it switched on, so if you're not paying attention or somebody brakes in front of you, the car will help you avoid an incident. Below that you've got forward collision sensitivity, lane departure warning and lane keep assist. TSR is traffic sign recognition, traffic sign warning, so it will tell you if you're going from a 30 mile an hour zone to a 20 mile an hour zone, it will flash up on the screen. Front departure vehicle alert is on there, so if you're not paying attention in traffic and the cars pull off, the car will beep at you. Driver attention alert, it's the car's monitoring how you drive the car. If it thinks that you're not driving to your normal standard, it will tell you perhaps you need to have a cup of tea. Safety distance alert, you can have that set. So all those things you can play with. So once you've gone into it, you press OK, you enter, and then you literally move up and down to the settings you need to have. So moving on from there, we've got the first little section across the top. It's got a little car on it. That's giving you a driving distance, so a trip for driving distance A. By pressing the move button, we also have a driving distance B. We have how long you've been driving and how much fuel you've used. We have how much fuel you've got, so driving range 121 miles. Your average MPG on there at the moment. Auto stop start being on, how long have you used it, and also your tyre pressures. They are all under the banner of the little car, and you do that by pressing that button there. So you keep going through the sub menu, and now we've got back to driving distance A. So these three buttons change what's happening in that screen there.